Hola familia! Today I want to talk to you about the Crux35. Now, when lots of people do reviews, they talk about all sorts of things, all the specs, all this stuff, and I don't want to bore you with that. If you want to do that, go watch Albert Kim. I like you, Albert Kim, okay? I do. I didn't want to say that because I didn't want to seem mean, but I like you, Albert Kim. Albert Kim talks about everything. And then he has a flight video, and if you want to see the shark bite version, he just did it. It is very nice. I wish I had it. I do not. I do not have so much money right now to order all these things because I've been working on building a custom drone for me to fly and for you to have the opportunity to buy if you want. Otherwise, I just fly a pile of them. One thing, the cord is way too long on this for the battery, so you have to cut it off.
So if you cut right through that, you're going to cut right through the joint. See?
You have to give it a nice little circumcision. Very nice. So, okay, I won't be Spanish anymore. The way that this thing flies is pretty cool. 4S batteries, 750 and 900. A 750 R-line and a Codar and a 900 GNB. So now what I want to say is just like about the way it flies and stuff. And forgive me because I am a simpleton, so I can just explain things kind of with the way that I feel about them and describe it like that. So that's kind of how I review and talk about things. So if you want more technical, maybe I'm not the person for you. But if you want real life experience, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to tell you about it. So I've been flying micros because all we do is sub 50, and this whole summer, basically, that's what I've been doing. I flew the Babyhawk, which was another 3.5, and the Babyhawk, to me, flew like garbage. I don't understand how so many people said it was so good and were so, like, it became so popular. But you see, this is the big problem with reviewers. They have drones that are sent to them by companies, and some of them are pretty honest. Albert Kim is one of those, actually. He's great to watch because he gives you his honest opinion on everything. But then there's other channels like drone camps where every single drone is the greatest thing, and I don't think anything bad of that person. I think everyone in the community that is drawing more people to FPV is great. But the big problem with reviewers that are just saying that everything is wonderful, then they sell it for the company, and the company is happy with them, so they keep sending them things to test, and then people are buying it, and they're making money off of it. So it's advantageous for a reviewer to take something and say, this is good. But actually, like, to me, I'm so disappointed in the Babyhawk that I don't even really want it. So I took apart all the pieces, and you can have the frame if anybody wants my Babyhawk frame. I just got distracted. Here we go.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
If you want this Babyhawk frame, leave a comment below, like the video. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. I'm not going to force you to follow me. There's no point. Just like the video, leave a comment, say, hey, I want it. Be like, hey papi, I want it. That drone, it looks nice. I bashed it a little bit. It's got like, yeah, you get the hardware for it. You get the frame, the plates, everything, standoffs. It's just a little dented in the corner. But if you want it, like the video, leave a comment, and you can have this Babyhawk frame. You will have to pay for the shipping. Okay, back to the Crux35. So what I find hilarious is that this drone flies way better than this drone. So this one's like $100 cheaper. Well, this is the analog version, so it's bad to maybe compare. But yes, I was very surprised with how this flew. When I was flying the Babyhawk, it didn't feel super balanced. It felt kind of wonky.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
And it just didn't feel nice. When I fly this thing, it feels really beautiful. Like, it feels so smooth. There's like no prop wash. Like, I felt very in control. My first day flying it, I flew it. I'm gonna show you the last flight of the day, but basically I flew it, and I didn't have a couple accidents. Okay, I had a couple accidents, but
I believed that's the kind of love I had.
I didn't feel like I had any accidents. I feel like this drone in the air, you have really nice control over it. The way you can maneuver with it and everything is really nice. Now, where it's weak is like punch outs and stuff. So when you try to like hit the throttle on this, it doesn't really feel nice. You get like, I think it's voltage sag. I don't even know what voltage sag is, but like when you hit the throttle on this and it shoots up, the voltage like drops a lot, and it doesn't feel nice. Like when I take my 3-inch patch ray, which is like the greatest. So my favorite drone right now is the analog patch ray. I have the digital patch ray too, and these drones are just, they're tanks. They're so solidly made. They're beautiful. They fly amazing, but there's a weight to them. They have a heaviness, but like when you hit the throttle, they shoot up. They have all that power. You're not missing anything, and it doesn't feel like it hurts the battery. So you can kind of throw it around more, and it has like a heavier feel. This has a lighter feel, and you can just, it feels like you can carve through the air really nice and easily with this. But when it comes to punch outs and stuff, it doesn't feel nice. It feels like, oh, we're gonna run out of power. Whereas with this, it doesn't cut through the air the same. Like it's not as nimble. It's not like a little ballerina in the sky. It's got that weight. It has power and weight, and then this one is just light and nimble, and you just feel like bloody Peter Pan flying it. So I'm very surprised with this drone. I'm really happy with it. Right now, out of all the bind and flies, this is the best. And do I have affiliate links? I don't even know if I have affiliate links for this. My affiliate links on Banggood don't even work, so it's just like all those links down there are useless. So yeah, just that's what I wanted to tell you. You can check out a little flight with it. I'll put that, and I did a little test with a few different goggles and settings, so the next video I upload after this one will have more flight footage of this. But here, check out the last pack. Thanks for hanging out, spending some time, and have a good one. Happy flying, pilots.
Watching you with dark eyes every night, counting up your sins. I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been. I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. You can't bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I leave you with the shudder. I got ghosts you don't wanna know. I got ghosts you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. Try not to choke, a funny joke when you say you're mine. Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind. You can't bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, go.